Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming gear intent and engine load. This affects the RPM target. Depress the clutch fully and release throttle smoothly so revs fall into the target band. Petrol 2, 503,000 RPM, Diesel 1, 502,000. Use those numbers as your reference. Once the revs stabilize, move the shifter from current gear to the next one decisively, but without force. This initial action sets timing, reduces drivetrain shock, and prevents bogging or over-revving when the new gear engages. You now focus on synchronization. When upshifting, ease the clutch out while gently adding throttle to avoid lugging. When downshifting, blip the throttle to raise RPM into the next gear's range so the engine speed matches the gearbox. Make clutch release purposeful, half a second to 1 second for a smooth engagement, so driveline shock is minimized. If you feel resistance or a crunch, return to neutral, reevaluate RPM, then re-engage. This prevents gear grind and teaches you the correct timing for consistent shifts. You finish by ensuring the selected gear holds under load. Apply steady throttle and listen for abnormal noise or clutch slip. If the car accelerates smoothly, the shift was correct. Make sure to drive keeping RPM within the efficient band to reduce wear and improve fuel use. If you experience repeated grinding, slipping, or hard engagement, stop and test clutch free play and linkage adjustment. Have the clutch inspected if symptoms continue. This single troubleshooting step often resolves most shifting faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.